Building strong partnerships only begins with delivering high-quality equipment and innovative automation solutions. At Duravant, we know that real, meaningful value comes from producing results and supporting our customers' success after the sale. For us, it's all about being there for you, anywhere, everywhere, and always. Duravant Lifecycle Services is the latest expression of our company-wide commitment to optimizing performance over the long life of your equipment. We are an advanced customer support network, a global center of excellence designed to provide Duravant companies instant access to best practices across the organization and help them deliver high-end, high-touch services worldwide. We're a platform for continuously enhancing our services, from faster response times to broader, more integrated aftermarket solutions. Solutions that span parts and on-site support, preventive maintenance and customer care programs, digital connectivity, and much more. Duravant Lifecycle Services, your partner, here to help you ensure optimum equipment performance, productivity, and profit.